Consider professional pest control when ants persist despite proper do-it-yourself treatments or when infestation size or complexity exceeds safe home remedies. If baits and non-repellent barriers fail after 1 to 2 complete bait cycles, you likely have a foraging population too large or a nest too distant for household products to reach. Start by confirming species because sugar feeders respond to sweet baits, while protein feeders prefer protein or oil-based gels. Use bait stations rather than broadcast sprays so worker ants can carry toxin back to the nest and reduce contact exposure for pets and children. Inspect plumbing, foundation cracks, exterior landscaping, and utility lines to find likely entry corridors and treat those with targeted perimeter products or expansion joint caulking. For outdoor nests or large documented satellite colonies, apply a labeled granular or liquid nest drench according to the product label and weather window to avoid wash-off. If you are unsure how to interpret bait acceptance, trail mapping, or nest location techniques, document trails on paper, set multiple bait types, and observe over 3 to 5 days before changing strategy. Common mistakes include switching products too quickly, which prevents baits from reaching and killing the colony. Stick with the chosen bait through a full acceptance window unless it is clearly rejected, and then try a different bait type. Another issue is over-reliance on barrier sprays alone, which repel workers but leave the colony intact. Pair barriers with interior baiting or nest treatments. Third is misidentifying the ant species, leading to poor bait choice and wasted effort. Take clear photos of workers and behavior or collect samples in a sealed container and compare to reliable field guides, or seek expert ID before committing to a treatment plan. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors with project listings and community discussion to help decide when to try do-it-yourself options and when to hire pros. We help contractors find leads and offer a discussion community where we share experiences, product recommendations, and local tips.